The man a cook, the man is cooking. The man them a cook, the men are cooking. The man a nyam, the man is eating. The man them a cook, the men are cooking. The woman a run, the woman is running. The woman a swim, the woman is swimming. The woman them a run, the women are running. The woman them a swim, the women are swimming. Him a run, he is running. Him a swim, he is swimming. Him a cook, he is cooking. Him a nyam, he is eating. She a write, she is writing. Him a write, he is writing. Them a write, they are writing. Them a nyam, they are eating. Them a cook, they are cooking. Them a swim, they are swimming. Them a write, they are writing. The gal them a read, the girls are reading. The gal a read, the girl is reading. The gal them a write, the girls are writing. The gal a write, the girl is writing. And finally, this is how you say goodbye. Little more, or later. Little more, later. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. As I said, this is my first lesson of what I hope to be many more to come. I hope to have a complete series on the entire language, so to speak, and I hope you come back for more. Leave your comments in the comment box to let me know what you think, what I can improve, what I should change, what you liked. So this is the presentation boy Jamboy 876 I mean, sorry. So I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.